Hello everyone, my name is Blessing and today I'll be showing you how to filter um, a makeup to how to use a filter template. Um, and this is going to be showing the total amount of lipstick that Jen actually sold in the East region. So first I have the data from the textbook, and at the top here we see that I have the names and the location of each of these items. So what I'm gonna do first is go to data, which was already open, and I'm gonna go to filter. So if you notice something, I clicked outside of the cell. So if I go to filter, it's not gonna let me because it says I'm not clicking in one of the cells here with the data. So before the filter can be used, you have to click in one of the data. So I'm gonna click OK. I'm gonna click on one of the datas and I'm going to go to filter. So once I clicked filter, it gave me this drop down options for me to make choices on anything I want in any of the data. So what I'm going to do next, since we're looking for Jen, for the amount of lipstick that Jen sold in the East regions, I'm going to go to the names. I'm going to deselect all. I'm going to look for Jen, and that already selected just Jen from the list. I'm gonna go to the product. I'm going to deselect all. I'm only looking for lipstick, and I'm going to click out of that, and it only shows me lipstick on this side. Now we want how many she have sold like in the East region. And so I'm gonna go to location. I'm gonna deselect all, but it's only East I have because Excel already knows what I want. So I'm gonna click out of that, and here it gives me the total, like each areas that Jen sold the lipsticks only in the East region, and here is the makeup filter that was used to show the transactions that Jen did in the East region for the lipstick. Thank you for listening and thank you for watching.